Good morning, welcome to your daily operations weather brief at 8:15. We have foggy conditions out there this morning. Continue to deal with this fog throughout the morning hours, and then once we get in the late morning hours into the early afternoon, we'll see that fog starting to burn off, and we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies by this afternoon with temperatures warming into the upper 80s. Looking at our surface analysis as of 9Z this morning, have area high pressure off the coast. It's allowing for us to have a very warm air mass over the region. Once this fog does burn off, as I mentioned, we'll see temperatures rebound quickly into the upper 80s for today. So it will be a warm day out there today, as well as we'll have increasing humidity for this afternoon, allowing for us to be a bit more humid than we saw this weekend. Looking at our current observations as well as satellite, we see some upper level cirrus over the region, as well as this fog starting to burn off from the north or central portions of the Delmarva this morning, starting to move down towards our region, and once it does, we'll see plentiful sunshine for this afternoon. Looking at our current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have a vertical visibility of 200 feet, quarter-mile statute visibility with fog. Winds out of the 100-degree azimuth at 5 knots, seeing a temperature at 73 degrees with relative humidity at 100% with that fog. Looking at our risk chart for today, we're going to be seeing that fog this morning, as I mentioned, burning off towards the late morning hours, the early afternoon hours. So we see temperatures peaking out today at 88 degrees. We'll see that 88-degree temperature most likely during the early afternoon hours when we'll have southwesterly winds at 5 to 10 knots. Once that wind does turn now the south-southwest at 7 to 12 knots, we'll see temperatures lowering into the mid-80s for the mid to late afternoon hours. Tonight we'll see a low of 75 degrees, a possibility of fog and low cloudiness building back into the region with a light southwesterly flow over the region, especially towards the late evening hours into the early overnight hours. If we do see that fog really build in quickly and thick over the region, we'll see temperatures in the lower 70s, but I don't expect that to occur with a low of 75 tonight, as I mentioned. And with that fog for the evening into the overnight time period, we'll see a yellow for our ceilings below 500 feet, as well as visibilities below a mile. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have that fog this morning start to burn off. By 10 o'clock, we'll see a broken deck at 500 feet, a broken deck at 25,000 feet, 2-mile statute visibility. Then by 11, we'll see a tempo or likely scenario of unrestricted visibilities with just partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there. Then by the afternoon hours, we'll see mostly sunny skies with just a good amount of cirrus cloudiness across the region. And then overnight, we'll see overall partly cloudy to mostly clear skies over the area. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking into Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday will be a very warm day to hot day across the region, looking at a high of 95 degrees for Tuesday. Heat indices will be between 100 to 105 degrees. Overall, it'll be partly cloudy during the daytime period. We'll see chances of showers and thunderstorms building during the afternoon, evening hours, and with that, we'll have a yellow for precip and for lightning. For Tuesday night, we'll have partly cloudy skies, a slight chance of lingering shower or thunderstorm early. Then it'll be muggy with a chance of low cloudiness and fog overnight. We'll see a low of 71 degrees, a yellow for our ceilings and visibility. And for Wednesday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies, a chance of lingering low cloudiness and fog during the morning. Then we'll average out partly to mostly cloudy during the afternoon hours. We'll see a chance of showers and thunderstorms by the evening hours, with the best chance during the late evening hours on Wednesday. We'll see a high of 84 degrees, a yellow for precipitation and lightning, and a yellow for our ceilings and visibilities. I'll complete the 8:15 daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. to look at the next 7 days.